Welcome to Finance Compass, your ultimate guide to navigating the world of personal finance and wealth building. Today, we're diving into a topic that schools don't teach you, but absolutely should: the secret to building wealth. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or vague motivational advice. We're talking actionable steps and strategies to secure your financial future, step by step. So, grab a pen and paper, because you'll want to take notes on this one. Why schools don't teach wealth building. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why don't schools teach us about wealth? Most education systems are designed to prepare us for a job, not to make us financially independent. They focus on academic subjects, but overlook critical life skills like budgeting, investing, or understanding taxes. Think about it. You might graduate knowing how to solve complex algebraic equations, but you're left clueless about how to file your taxes or build a retirement fund. Schools teach us how to work for money, but rarely teach us how to make money work for us. And that's the first key difference between simply earning an income and building wealth. Step 1. Shift your mindset about money. The journey to wealth begins with your mindset. Ask yourself this: do you see money as a tool or as a reward? Many people view money as something to spend once they've earned it, but the wealthy see money as a tool to create more money. This simple shift in perspective can change your financial trajectory. Start by ditching the belief that money is bad or greedy. Instead, see it as a resource, one that can provide freedom, security, and opportunities. Remember, your mindset sets the tone for your financial habits. If you believe you're capable of building wealth, you'll take the actions necessary to make it a reality. Step 2. Master the art of budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success, yet so many people avoid it because it feels restrictive. But here's the secret. A budget isn't about saying no to what you love, it's about saying yes to your financial goals. Track your spending. Before you create a budget, you need to know where your money is going. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track your expenses for at least 1 month. The 50-30-20 rule. This is a simple yet powerful budgeting framework. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, like rent and groceries, 30% to wants, like entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Pay yourself first. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense. Automate your savings so a portion of your income goes straight into a separate account before you even see it. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about prioritization. And once you master it, you'll feel more in control of your money. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before you can focus on building wealth, you need a safety net. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund ensures that you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans when unexpected expenses arise. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is the general rule of thumb. If your monthly expenses are $3,000, aim to save at least $9,000 to $18,000. Keep it accessible. Your emergency fund should be liquid and easy to access. A high-yield savings account is a great option. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and allows you to focus on long-term wealth-building strategies without constant financial stress. Step 4. Invest early and consistently. Investing is the secret sauce to building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Here's how to get started. Understand the basics. Learn the difference between stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Don't worry about mastering everything at once. Just focus on the fundamentals. Start with index funds. If you're new to investing, index funds are a great starting point. They're low-cost, diversified, and easy to manage. Look into funds that track the S&P 500. Automate your investments. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. Whether it's $50 or $500 a month, consistency is key. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Max out your 401k or IRA contributions if possible. These accounts not only help you save for retirement, but also offer significant tax benefits. The sooner you start investing, the more you'll benefit from compound growth, where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. Step 5. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income is risky. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of having multiple income streams. Here are some ideas. Start a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, consulting or selling products online, a side hustle can boost your income significantly. Invest in real estate. Rental properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts, are great ways to generate passive income. Create digital products. Write an ebook, create an online course, or start a YouTube channel, like Finance Compass, to earn passive income over time. The more income streams you have, the more resilient your finances will be. Diversifying your income can also accelerate your wealth-building journey. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest traps that prevent people from building wealth is lifestyle inflation. This happens when your spending increases as your income grows. For example, getting a raise might tempt you to upgrade your car or move to a bigger house. While it's okay to enjoy your hard-earned money, don't let it derail your financial goals. Here's a tip. Every time your income increases, commit to saving or investing a portion of that increase before spending it. Keeping your expenses in check allows you to channel more money toward your long-term financial goals. Step 7. Educate yourself. Continuously. Wealth building is a lifelong journey, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be. Make it a habit to educate yourself about personal finance and investing. Here's how. Read books. Some classics include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Follow finance experts, subscribe to podcasts, YouTube channels like Finance Compass, and blogs that focus on personal finance. Take courses. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer affordable courses on investing, budgeting, and wealth management. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the more confident you'll feel in your ability to make smart financial decisions. Step 8. Network with like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with people who share your financial goals. Networking with like-minded individuals can provide you with valuable insights, motivation, and even opportunities. Join financial communities. Facebook groups, Reddit forums like r/personal finance, or local meetups can connect you with others on the same journey. Find a mentor. A financial mentor can offer guidance and help you avoid common pitfalls. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Step 9. Stay patient and persistent. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be setbacks along the way, but the key is to stay consistent and keep moving forward. Celebrate small wins, and remember that even slow progress is still progress. Patience and persistence are your greatest allies when working toward long-term financial success. Final thoughts. The secret to building wealth isn't really a secret. It's about following proven principles, staying disciplined, and making smart decisions over time. Unfortunately, schools might not teach you these skills, but that's why channels like Finance Compass exist. We're here to guide you, step by step, toward financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Compass for more actionable tips and strategies. And remember, your financial future is in your hands. Start today, and your future self will thank you.